from the Philippine Statistics Authority reveals inflation accelerated.
That inflation right now is his administration's top economic priority.
High inflation not appearing to keep Black Friday shoppers home.
The rise in inflation and the boisterous global economy is raising a lot of concerns. In such times, everyone would want to have multiple revenue streams to secure one's future. So, are you in search of passive income ways? Passive income can be a terrific strategy to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side business or just wanting to make a little extra money each month, especially while the economy suffers from widespread inflation. With passive income, you can have money flowing in while still working your primary job, or if you're able to build up a solid stream of passive income, you may want to relax a little. In either case, a passive income provides additional security. Well, if you're concerned about being able to save enough of your salary to reach your retirement objectives, growing wealth through passive income may appeal to you as well. So, what is passive income exactly? Regular profits from a source other than an employer or contractor are considered passive incomes. According to the IRS, passive income might originate from one of the two sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively engage, such as receiving book royalties, automatic cash flow, or stock dividends. In reality, you may undertake some or all of the work initially, but passive income frequently requires some additional labor along the way. To keep the passive cash flowing, you may need to keep your product or service updated, or your rental property well maintained. However, if you stick with it, it may be a terrific method to produce revenue and create some extra financial stability for yourself. Passive income can be generated in two ways: time and money. Building a website involves time and money, depending on how you approach it. Investing in dividend income stocks, on the other hand, requires money but very little time. When you first start, you should determine what resources you have, such as time and money, and then choose an idea that makes use of those resources. Ideally, you can also apply your previous skills and knowledge. So, let's have a look at 6 of the best passive income ideas to make money fast. Buckle up and keep your pockets ready. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third party's product by providing discount code, a link to the product on their website, or a social media account. Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner, while eBay, Awin, and ShareASale are other big names. And Instagram and TikTok have grown into massive platforms for individuals trying to build a following and market their products. You may also consider building an email list to attract attention to your blog or to direct readers to items and services that they might be interested in. The commission may range from 3 to 7%, implying that large traffic to your site will be required to produce big income. However, if you can increase your following or specialize in a more profitable field, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may be able to make some real money. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because you can earn money by just putting a link to your website or social media account. In reality, you won't make any money if you can't get readers to click on the link and buy something. Number 2. Sell photography online. Selling photography or images online may not seem like the most obvious location to start a passive business, but it can help you grow your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photographs often. You may collaborate with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy to do this. To begin, you must first be accepted by the platform, after which you must license your images for the use by anyone who downloads them. The platform will then pay you every time your photo is used. You will need photographs that appeal to a specific demographic or depict a specific environment, and you'll need to figure out where the demand is. Photos could be of models, landscapes, creative setups, and so on. One of the benefits of selling or licensing your photos through a platform is the ability to scale your efforts, especially if you can produce images that will be in demand. That implies that you could possibly sell the same photograph hundreds, thousands, or even millions of times. Number 3. Renting out a parking or storage space. Do you have a parking space that you aren't using or that someone else could use? You could exchange that location for the money. It may be an even better setup if you have a wider area that can accommodate many automobiles or is beneficial for multiple events or venues. Your parking or storage place could be worth actual money in exceptionally high-demand regions or at high-demand times, such as during a concert or sporting event. For example, if you live in a location with regular commuters but a scarcity of parking spaces, you may have a moneymaker on your hands. You might have the best chance of making a profit if you rent to someone who uses the spot regularly. Number 4. Sponsored posts on social media. Do you have a large following on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok? Get payment from emerging consumer brands to post about their product or otherwise showcase it in your feed. However, you must continue to fill your profile with material that attracts your target audience. That involves continuing to develop social media postings that expand your reach and engage your fans. Plus, this can quickly become a regular cash flow, and why not creating your own ad or social media agency? Making the most of your social media presence is an appealing business approach today. Draw attention and clicks to your profile with compelling material, and then monetize it by arranging sponsored posts from brands that appeal to your audience. Number 5. Sell skills online. If you have designing skills, writing expertise, or any other wanted skill, you may convert them into a source of income by selling goods with your own touch. Printed designs, scripts, books, online visual presence, etc. You could sell your own designs on t-shirts, caps, mugs, and other goods through companies like Cafe Press and Zazzle. You can begin with your own designs to see what the market wants and then expand from there. You might be able to profit from rising interest in a current event by designing a shirt that reflects the spirit of the moment, or at the very least a sardonic take on it. You can also market your products by creating your web storefront using a service like Shopify. We all have inner talent, but we are often unaware of its potential. Number 6. Rent out rooms. Don't need a full-time housemate? Consider using a site like Airbnb to rent out your spare bedrooms to short-term guests. You can establish your own hours and just hire out your area when you want. That implies that you can reserve dates on Airbnb for your in-laws' visit next month. However, the opportunities do not stop with renting out spare bedrooms. Why not rent out your entire home on Airbnb or another platform if you're going on a 2-week trip? Or, for that matter, buy rental homes to rent them out rather than screening and leasing to long-term tenants. Some extra tips for passive income. Last but not least, you could simply identify an investment platform to put your money into and benefit from its growth by professional money managers. But be careful who you trust your money with. Saving additional money is something that many individuals fail to consider. You never know what will happen tomorrow. You don't know if you'll make more money or if anything unexpected will happen. Don't spend your money like there's no tomorrow. Save as much as you can so that when rainy days arrive, you won't have to think twice about spending money where it's needed. You don't go to war without a plan, just like you don't construct a budget without one. The same is true for attempting a new source of income. You must conduct a thorough study on the type of income opportunity into which you intend to invest your effort, time, and money. List all of the advantages and disadvantages, as well as your proposed solution to the difficulties you've observed. Make a plan for how you're going to spend your excess money and keep track of it. Are you returning to your job, investing wisely a small amount every month, or are you putting that money away? On the other hand, identify your weaknesses. When you've identified it, either go the extra mile to improve your skills or delegate it to someone who is an expert in the area where you're lacking. This is known as outsourcing. Don't be embarrassed or ashamed if you lack 1 or 2 skills. We are all flawed in some way. It's never a terrible thing to recognize your lack of that skill and take action to improve it. We can't be expert at everything. Well, having several income streams, a combination of active and passive revenue streams, is one of the keys to accumulating true wealth. It not only provides additional options, but it is also a much less hazardous method than having only one active income stream. That being said, which idea are you using to make money fast? Comment down below to complete the 6 ideas. See you guys next time.